Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about the Cash App Cash Card, and more specifically, we're going to go through the steps. So this is a tutorial on how to add your Cash App Cash Card into your Apple Pay wallet, so that way you can use it at the register through your Apple Pay. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick tutorial, not a lot of steps involved. I've been getting this question a lot, so hopefully this answers your question of how to get your Cash App Cash Card into your Apple Pay wallet. A lot of the subscribers are saying they're having issues verifying and authorizing the Cash App Cash Card on the Apple Pay wallet to use it. So just a quick rundown basically on the Cash App Cash Card. All it is basically a Visa debit card that attaches directly to your Cash App. So if you have money in your Cash App, you don't need to withdraw it into your bank like Chase or Bank of America and then spend it off their debit card. You can just use this Visa debit card and it automatically withdraws the money from your Cash App if you have a balance there. So if you want to buy something at McDonald's or 7-Eleven or Nike, you can just use your Cash App Cash Card. But how do you add it into your Apple Pay wallet? That's what we're going to talk about. So one thing I want to let you know, the Apple Pay wallet icon or app, you will not be using that to add your Cash App Cash Card into. So let me switch over to my Apple Pay wallet. All right, so here's my Apple Pay wallet, and here's the mistake a lot of people make is that they go to this app right here, your Apple Pay wallet, and then click this plus icon. Once you click on this plus icon, you can go ahead and enter in your Cash App Cash Card details, but I'm going to say don't do that, because what's going to happen is you're going to run into an error where it says you need to authenticate the Cash App Cash Card. You go through a verification process and it actually doesn't work most of the time. So here's how you do it. Go to your Cash App. Let me switch over to mine. Okay, here's my Cash App. It's this green and white one right here. Check my video description. If you don't have the app already, I'll leave a referral link there. I'm going to open my Cash App now. All right, I went ahead and opened up the Cash App. This is the home screen. Here on the home screen, it's going to have your profile icon up here if you uploaded one. But if you want to go ahead and add your Cash App Cash Card into your Apple Pay wallet, you want to click on the little card icon here on the bottom. It looks like a little credit card. It's one space over from your balance right here. I'm going to click there now. All right, I went ahead and clicked there. Once you're here on the screen, it's going to show your Cash App Cash Card image. So it'll have your name, the last 4 digits of your Cash App Cash Card. Next, what you want to do is just click on your Cash App Cash Card. It doesn't look like there's a button. Actually, there is no button. Doesn't matter. Just click on it here. I'm going to click on it now. All right, once you click there, this drop-down menu happens, and this is where you're going to add your Cash App Cash Card into Apple Pay. Pretty easy. Just click on this line right here. Self-explanatory. It says Add to Apple Pay. That's for your Cash Card. I'm going to click there now. All right, next this screen pops up. It's called Add Card to Apple Pay. This is to add your Cash App Cash Card to Apple Pay. As you can see, we're not doing any of this in the Apple Pay wallet. This is all through the Cash App. So here on the screen, it's going to show your name and the last 4 digits of your card number. Read this little disclosure right here letting you know about your personal information. If you agree to it, click this blue button here on the top right called Next. I'm going to click there now. All right, it's contacting the card issuer. All right, next the terms and conditions pop up. So it's kind of a long document. You're welcome to read through it. If you read to it and agree to it, click this blue agree button down here on the bottom right. I'm going to click there now. All right, it says adding to wallet. All right, next the screen pops up and it's asking if I would like to set my Cash App Cash Card as the default card in my Apple Pay wallet. That's up to you. I actually am not going to do that. If you choose to, click this blue button right here. If not, click the blue writing down here on the bottom called Not Now. I'm going to click there now. All right, next this pops up and says my Cash Card was added to Apple Pay, and it's letting me know the PIN number is the same one that I use in the app. There's not a separate PIN number for that. So I'm going to click Done. All right, so it looks like the process is complete. My Cash App Cash Card should be in my Apple Pay wallet. So let me switch over to my Apple Pay wallet just to verify. Okay, I'm going to open up my Apple Pay wallet to verify that my Cash App Cash Card was added in. I'm going to click on the wallet icon now. All right, I went ahead and opened up my Apple Pay wallet, and yeah, it looks like my Cash App Cash Card is right here at the top. Let me go ahead and click on it now. Yep, and there you have it. Here at the bottom, it is confirming that the Cash Card is ready for Apple Pay. So now if I go to a register that accepts Apple Pay, I can use and choose my Cash App Cash Card to use through my Apple Pay wallet, which is pretty convenient. So there you have it, guys. That's how you add your Cash App Cash Card into the Apple Pay wallet step by step. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know what that might be. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.